Hi, my name's Jason and I'm a project manager here at Komodo. Jira is a project management and issue tracking tool. It allows us to take large, complicated projects and break them down into much smaller, manageable components. It gives us the ability to focus on what's in the current sprint and separate out a much bigger backlog. It also allows any of the development, the design, and our QA team to create their own bugs and issues and track their progress against individual stories. Jira is beneficial to Komodo for a number of reasons. It's infinitely flexible, so you can literally apply it to any project we take on. It's got new functionality like the next-gen boards, which can be set up in a matter of minutes, or for something a little bit more complex, it's got a lot more powerful functionality where you can set versions, you can put detailed sprints on there, you can also label it quite fully. One of the key benefits to us, I suppose, is as well as it's quite scalable. It allows our staff to work remotely or on a client site, and it means that everyone's got the same view, we all understand what's going on, and we've all got the same picture of the product, I suppose. A very key thing for us about having some clients that are slightly further afield means that we can share with them views from Jira, and it doesn't need to be translated. Everyone kind of understands the terminology, and we all get what's going on. We've been using Jira for a couple of years now. We originally started using clients Jira when we started working with Orchard Housing, and then more recently Citizens Advice. We eventually started realizing its benefits from a product point of view. It allows us to start looking from a sort of 2 to 3 years of a life cycle rather than just what was in front of us right now. So we've started to adopt it as part of our daily workflow, and it's replaced previous tools such as Asana and Trello. So Jira allows you to break things down into a really granular level of detail, which is really good for quick wins and making progress on sort of more complicated tasks. The problem with that is that you often are taken away from the overall product, and you often kind of lose the bigger victories. So at Komodo, we like to take a step back every now and again. We usually have really diverse Scrum teams, so we're very capable of challenging each other. And we like to make sure that people who aren't on the project get to see it, they get to test it, they get to provide regular feedback for the project team. And I suppose one of the great things about Jira as well is that it is infinitely flexible and adaptable, but we kind of have to remind ourselves every now and again that people are more important than processes or tools.